Welcome to the Synergy Gradebook home screen tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to do some basic navigation, how to get help on the page that you are on. Up at the top, you'll notice that you have Home, Gradebook, and Report Card. So if you mouse over each of those, you'll notice the different options that you have. In the upper left is also where you can find how to change the class that you are in. So if you mouse over the upper left, you'll notice that it will ask for the term, if you have special meeting days, as well as the class that you are in. When I want to find information on how to get help, in the upper right there is the question mark. It will tailor your help for the page that you are on. Since I was on that home screen and I was looking at the seating chart, it defaulted to the seating chart overview. On the left-hand side, you'll notice that it will have all the different options as well as a search that if you wish to search. But this help will change depending on the screen that you are looking at. So that was a quick tutorial on the home screen. As always, take time to just mouse over to look at what are available. You have assistance whenever you need it, just calling 7070, as well as the little question mark to help you go through the written tutorials that Synergy has provided.